Hey Gotbackup family, JB here. I'm the video producer here at Gotbackup. In this video, I'm going to show you where to find the installation file for Gotbackup and how to install it into your computer. Now just a side note, in this example I'm using Windows 11, but it's pretty much the same process installing for all Windows platforms. So let's get started. Now we're going to head to the left hand tab where it says Digital Tools, Gotbackup, use this tool and click that. You'll then be brought into your dashboard, which is basically a summary of your account. Since you're a brand new user, you're not going to have any information stored. As you could see, we still got 6 terabytes left. Just to give you an idea, 1 terabyte is equivalent to about 1,000 gigabytes or 1 million megabytes, so that's a lot of space. Over here is your plan limit. It's going to tell you your volume available, how many users you have left, and if you ever need more space or additional users, you could always upgrade in the future. Now, as I mentioned in the beginning, I'm using a Windows computer, so I'm going to go ahead and click download for Windows. Depending on your internet speed, this may take a couple of minutes. Once your download is complete, we're going to go ahead and open up the file. Here's the Gotbackup installation file. We're going to go ahead and double click that to initiate the installation. I'm going to go ahead and click run because I don't need the Mac folder to install properly. I'm going to go ahead and click install for all users. For my language, it's going to be English. Windows will ask you, where do you want to install this software? By default, it's going to be on your C drive. This is a common Windows file structure, so I'm going to go ahead and click next. I will also go ahead and click the create a desktop shortcut for easy access, and then we'll go ahead and click next. Windows is going to ask you just to double check everything, make sure everything looks alright. It looks good, so let's go ahead and install. After the installation is complete, you might be prompted to restart your machine. We'll go ahead and do this, and then we'll start on the next video, how to sync your computer with the Gotbackup cloud.